Today I want to talk about a new feature in ParaPlan. We have added support for driver breaks. On the mobile app, when a driver goes on break, you'll see it reflected in Route View and on Dispatch View when scheduling a ride. If the driver changes the expected end time of their break, you'll see that change in ParaPlan as well. You can also use a new ParaPlan cast to monitor all the drivers that are on break. This opens in a browser, so you can move this to an external display or resize the window. The type of break that can be taken is customizable in ParaPlan. We can add a new break type called Personal, and set the default duration for 30 minutes. Now when the driver picks the break type, they'll see Personal in the list of options. Statistical, S10, and NTD reports are being modified to reflect non-revenue time of breaks. And we can modify your custom payroll reports to include break information. Please get in touch with us for more details. Thanks for using ParaPlan.